The brave Barnaby, famous for his epic feats, was tasked with recovering the Diary of Yawns, hidden deep within the most boring labyrinth ever built by the architect Zygmunt. Confident, Barnaby stepped inside only to quickly find himself lost in an endless sequence of identical hallways. Was this place designed to put me to sleep? Barnaby grumbled, bumping into the walls. He was starting to lose hope. There were no monsters to fight, only overwhelming boredom. Suddenly, he heard the monotone voice of Zygmunt, seemingly giving a tour to himself. Now, turn right at the rat gray wall corner, then left at the... Oh, never mind, it's all the same anyway. Barnaby, exasperated, shouted, "Zygmunt, where's the exit and the Diary of Yawns?" Zygmunt, who hadn't noticed Barnaby's presence until then, absent-mindedly pointed. "Oh, it's just over there. I get lost all the time, but the diary's in the second-to-last room before the exit. If you can stay awake long enough, that is." With one final act of willpower, Barnaby found the Diary of Yawns and escaped the labyrinth more exhausted from boredom than from any battle. He swore never to accept a mission in a Zygmunt-designed maze again.